In this video, we're going to be cleaning this nail gun using this product called Super Clean. The people at Super Clean were nice enough to send me some products for free, so I'll put a link in my description below if you want to go check them out on their website. And I think they sell their products on Amazon as well. So we're going to see how well it cleans my nail gun and see if it's something you're interested in. And this is an honest review. They just sent me the products to review. They're not paying me anything special to give it a good review, so we're going to see how well it does. It's more or less just a degreaser, but they have some other products like floor absorbent and wheel cleaner, and I'm going to show you those too because they sent those to me as well. So let me flip the camera around and show you all the options they have, and then we'll get to cleaning this nail gun. If you look at this first product, it's floor absorbent. As you can see, as it says here, it says it's used to clean up oil, coolant, and other liquids. So clearly that's going to be more useful in a garage or shop, and I don't really do too much of that on this channel, but it's something I wanted to mention that they have. And then this product is simply more or less it's just a cleaner in concentrate. So with the concentrate version, it's more or less, from what I can tell, it's the spray can but in a concentrated formula, and they sent this bottle that you clearly will just mix it to whatever strength you need. If you look down here, 16:1, 8:1 in this little bottle they sent with it. So that would be if you're doing something that requires some heavy-duty cleaning, you can mix it whatever strength you need there. And if you look, right there's the can version that I was already showing you at the beginning of the clip. It's just the concentrate but in a can form. And if you look here, it's all these products have biodegradable detergents in it, so that's always helpful. And it's very good from what I can tell when I cleaned my wheels with it the other day. But as you can see, it's for brakes, grills, engines. You can use it in your kitchen. And then if you look here, this one is simply an already pre-mixed bottle of about the same thing. And if you look here, it says the same thing that the other cans did. So it's more or less just in a pump bottle instead of a spray bottle. And then you got your wheel cleaner right here. And like I said, I mixed some of this up the other day, used on my wheels. Very good. I had no problems cleaning my wheels with it. So yeah, this compared to any other wheel cleaner, I wouldn't know because I really don't use wheel cleaners. I'm not an auto person. I'm more of a construction person. So now let's turn the camera over to the sink, and I'm going to clean this over the sink because the wife's going to get really mad if I make a mess. So I'm going to clean this over the sink, and then after I clean the tool, I'm going to clean the sink with it. So we're going to see how well this stuff performs. So I'm going to tilt the camera over the sink so we can get a nice view of how well it works. All right, I'm going to put on some rubber gloves while I'm doing this. And I'm going to show you the back of the can, the directions, so that way we're all on the same page. So if you look here on the back of the can, so more or less what it says on the instructions is cover the surface with Super Clean with the appropriate strength, allowing it enough time to dissolve grease and grime. Do not allow to dry on surface. Then rinse thoroughly and dry as needed. And it says depending on how you're using the Super Clean, wear gloves and eye protection. For safety tips, go to superclean.com. So I just got gloves on mainly so I don't make a mess on my hands. But I'm going to go ahead and just spray this on the nail gun, set it in the sink, and give it a little time to foam and do its thing. I'm really not going to do the magazine of the gun. I'm just going to wipe that off with the residue from the primary part here. So I've never cleaned my nail gun before, so we're going to see how well it cleans the nail gun. All right, I feel like that's probably good enough for this case. Give it a little extra there. All right, I'm just going to give it about 30 seconds to a minute to foam up. All right, there's probably enough time there, so I'm going to get some paper towels and wipe it off and see if it's cleaner. Yep, definitely getting some grime off. Wow, this gun was pretty dirty. Oh yeah, definitely, definitely brighter yellow than what it was. We will give it that. And just so you all know, this gun is probably at least 10 years old. So, and it's definitely due for a good cleaning. Like I said, I'm not too worried about this magazine part because you got to put gun oil in it anyways, so it's going to be greasy in no time. All right, so dried it off, and I will say it's definitely a brighter yellow. So I'm going to say it definitely takes the grime and grease off of items easily. And I really like the foaming action, so it feels like you know, it's actually doing something compared to some other degreasers I've used. So there you have it. That's how you clean a tool using Super Clean. Now let's see how well it will clean the sink, if it will give it more of a shine. And this is safe to use in kitchens, by the way. The wife is going to be so proud. Alright, as you can see, it's foaming, and now it's we're going to let it sit there for I'm going to let it sit there for at least a couple minutes. So I'll turn the camera back on once this is set up. Alright, it's been a couple minutes, and looks like the foam has kind of dissipated a little bit more than it was when I first put it on. Just going to get some paper towels and scrub it out, and let's see if it looks better. I'll be the first to admit, I am no housekeeper. I am not a big cleaning person, so as far as other degreasers or house cleaning products for a sink, I don't know what exactly most people would recommend, like Comet or whatever. But this is a review of using the Super Clean degreaser, so I figured why not use it in the kitchen on the sink, just like the product is recommended to be used on. So one thing I do like about this degreaser, it seems to be pretty versatile as far as you can use it almost on anything because it's biodegradable, so that's healthy. But you know, all because it's biodegradable doesn't mean you should consume it, clearly, but it's safe to use in the kitchen, bathrooms, in your house, really anywhere. So it's just something to keep in mind if you're planning on buying Super Clean. Said don't let it dry on the surface, so I'm gonna make sure I wipe it off before it dries on the surface. All right, definitely shinier. So now my wife can never say I've never cleaned the sink before. She's gonna love that I did that, by the way. All right, so my final thoughts on Super Clean. Would I recommend Super Clean? Yes. It does exactly what it says. It definitely removed the grease and grime. And it says it's biodegradable, so that's a huge plus, so you can use it in your kitchen and all this. So yeah, I think Super Clean's a good product. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check them out. And by the way, if you're new to this channel is all about building your own house and saving a ton of money. So if you haven't yet done it, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you found value in this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace!